What is up? I feel like I finally recovered from Vlogtober. Posting one video a day for 31 days straight was exhausting, and I think I'm ready to get back at it. I feel like this should be one of those video diaries where I'm all, Dear diary, I haven't uploaded for 2.5 months. I've had no human contact since 2012. And 8 days ago I ran out of Nutella. Send help. What was that? But that seems like way too much work, so let's just get into it. I ordered something about a week ago, and I think it is sitting in the mailbox right now, so let's track it. Yes, it's delivered! Also, that was totally fake. I already knew it was delivered. I just did it for the video. Let's go to the mailbox. Very exciting. Alright, let's see what it is. I know what it is, but it'll be a surprise for you. And I should say I've never ordered one of these, so I have no idea if it's going to be any good or not. So let's check it out. Look at that, a bunny coffee mug. This actually turned out pretty good. I'm excited. Now that I've seen the quality of these, it passes my test, so these will be available in our shop at Viva Paso. They'll be on the Viva Paso site, but I won't put them on my own website quite yet because I need to set that up somehow. Quick update, it's been a week since I recorded that last bit. Since then, I did figure out how to get the mugs on my own website, so here's a little close-up for you. Anyway, you can now get them at jeffclausen.com. I'll put a link in the description, and that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.